Hello everybody, in this video I want to tell you how to find the square root of an irrational number with no calculator, only for 3 seconds. Okay, this is the formula. I want to explain the formula by some examples. We're going to find the square root of 22. First write 22 plus the closest perfect square to 22 is 25 over 2 times the square root of 25. Now we're going to simplify the fraction. 22 plus 25 equals 47. The square root of 25 is 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. Now the answer 47 over 10 is approximately equal to 4.7. Another example, the square root of 7. Write 7 plus the closest perfect square to 7 is 9 over 2 times the square root of 9. 7 plus 9 equals 16. The square root of 9 is 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. 16 over 6 is approximately 2.6. Another one, the square root of 3. Okay, as I explained, write 3 plus the closest perfect square to 3 is 4. 4 over 2 times the square root of 4. 3 plus 4 equals 7. The square root of 4 is 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. So 7 over 4 is approximately 1.7. Alright, if you use calculator to find the answers, your answers are approximately the same as my answers. But remember, practice makes perfect. Bye for now.